Good morning everyone. Today we'll be talking about the technology in tourism. The way we travel and the way tourism businesses operates have been greatly changed by the technology. The first one impact of the technology in tourism is that first one is that it enhances access and convenience. Technology has made it much easier and more convenient to travel. Think of the websites, apps, and mobile payments options that let you plan and book your trips from anywhere. The second one is that it simplified the booking process. Booking a trip used to be more complicated, but now with just a few more clicks you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and also tours online. The third one is that it provides personalized travel experience through data analysis. Travel companies use technologies to gather information about what travelers like so that this helps them suggest trips, create customs itineraries, and show you ads for things that you're actually interested in. The fourth one is that it enhances business operations. Technology has made tourism businesses much more efficient and productive. This includes effective marketing and distribution. Businesses can now use online platforms and social media to advertise to people all over the world and promote their services more effectively. Second one is it improve customer services and communication. If you have a question or problem, you can often get help through chat books, live chats, or online support system that is available 24/7. Third one is that it achieves sustainable practices through technology. Technology helps businesses friendly by reducing waste, using less energy, and encouraging responsible travel.
Okay, so hello everyone. My assigned topic is technology trends in the tourism industry. So first we have the smart way to travel. So think of your phone is a magic wand in 2026. So you don't need to stand in a long lines or carry a heavy folders of papers. So we have also travel apps. These are like having a professional travel agent in your pocket 24/7. So they don't just book flights. They can tell you if your gate change or where the best pizza is near in your hotel. So next is we have contactless check-in. So imagine walking into a hotel and going straight to your room without ever talking to the front desk. You use your phone to check in and even use it as your digital room key. So in order to this one, like mostly biya di ba kana ang kung moadto ta og mga hotel, for example maadto kag hotel, some of the muguta sa front desk na jud sila ihatag nga kanang card key, but now ato na lang buhaton is magkanang kuan na lang sa atong phone like kanana. So mao na gitawag og digital room key, mao na kanang contactless check-in. So next we have AI chatbots. So these are super smart robots. You can text if you're hungry at 2 a.m. and want to know if the hotel has snacks. The AI answer instantly. Now, tanin giingon nga kanang dili na ka need mag-order sa gawas kay ngano na may mga kanaang mga kanageng kanaang mga gipang prefer nga food inside sa kanaang hotel. So next is trying before you buy, or AR and VR. So this is where travel gets really video gamey. So virtual reality or VR, before you spend your savings on a trip to Japan, you can put on a VR headset and walk through the streets of Tokyo. It's like a 3D demo of your vacation. So next is augmented reality or AR. When you're actually at the museum, you can point your phone at an old, broken statue. An AR will rebuild it on your screen so you can see what it looked like 2,000 years ago. So we have also paying without paying. We are moving away from physical wallets. So contactless payments. Using things like Apple Pay or Google Pay isn't just cool, it's safer. You just tap your phone or watch. In 2026, some airports will even use biometrics, which means your face is your passport and your credit card. So grabe day no ini. Grabe day ang kana ang mga improvement, di ba? Kung karon kay kanang if mo go abroad ta kay mag-need pa jud ta nga makuha og kana ang passport, di ba? Daghan pag proseso, but now nanay kana ang kuan katong gamito na lang daw ato ang face. Face is your passport and your credit card daw. So dili na ta magkanang kuan, ikuan na nato sa ato ang phone na lang. So then next is the digital bodyguards. So digital bodyguards or cyber security. So since everything is in our phones, so hackers might try to steal our vacation money or passport info daw. So why it matters? So travel companies are now spending billions on digital bodyguards, cybersecurity. They use high-tech encryption to make sure that when you book a flight, your data stays locked in a digital vault where no one got touch it or can touch it. So in summary of all this, technology is making travel faster, funner, and also safer. We can explore the world in VR before we leave, skip the lines at the hotel with our phones, and pay for souvenirs with a single tap. But as we go digital, we have to make sure our digital suitcase, our private data, are locked tight with the best cybersecurity. Thank you.